GoPro Hero 8 on top of the Zhiyun Crane M2. Do you even need a gimbal with this thing? When you're ready. Last week I tested the hypersmooth or the GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition, and oh boy, that thing is stable. You can find the video right here on the top right corner or in the description tab below. Anyway, today we're gonna test it with a gimbal by Zhiyun, the Crane M2, and see if it performs even better. Let's start with some parkour footage, which I know you love, and then we're gonna go through some of the settings either of the GoPro and the Crane M2 and see how they work combined together. First things first, guys, we want to balance the gimbal. By that I mean we want to find those settings when whatever position you put your camera to, the camera will stay in position. So basically you want to play with your lever, your axis and your plates until the camera will stay. Quick tip is usually I take photos of these settings, so the next time I need to balance the gimbal I just go through the photos and do it very quickly. What I can do for you guys is actually uploading some videos of my settings. So if you have the very same setup, you can just balance the gimbal in under a minute. Important thing I forgot to mention also, you need an adapter. So you need an adapter from a 1/4 inch screw to the GoPro mount. It's sponsor time, my clothing brand WEFEW. If you haven't checked it yet, go to www.wefew.net and also get a chance to win one of these fantastic reversible beanie hats right here, just in time for Christmas. What you have to do is to leave a comment right here under this video, and in my next vlog I will pick the winner, so you might want to subscribe and stay tuned. So let's test now some time lapses and time warps, and to do so we need the Zhiyun app, because I'm gonna link the GoPro. Actually, I'm not gonna link the GoPro to the Crane, but I'm gonna work them together separately. So I'm gonna set up some time lapses on the Crane and the same thing filming on the GoPro. A couple of tips, guys, if you want to do time warps. The first things I noticed is my screensaver was set for 1 minute, so basically after 1 minute of filming my screen would go off. So make sure you go through the settings and you switch it off so you can actually see what you're filming. Second thing is time warps work really nice when you have a subject in the center of the frame, and to do so you can set your grids on the screen, so that will help you again to frame it properly and keep the subject in the center. Right, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down here below what you think about this combo. I think it's perfect if you do action sports, of course, travel vlogging with the time warp settings on. Anyway, thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.